Hi everyone, today we're going to tour a floor plan by Mungo Homes called The Palmer. And let me know in the comments down below, how do you like this blue? Alright, so as you walk in on your left, we will have an option for an office. It can be a dining room, but as you can see, we have the French doors. As we continue on, we're going to be welcomed with the kitchen and the breakfast area. But check out this kitchen. How do you like the countertop? But wow, look at all this space. And then you also have the family room. Nice patio outside. And just take a closer look at this kitchen. A beautiful backsplash, light beige, light brown colors. Very clean, minimal, but very cool. And then we do have this butler pantry. Awesome for, let's say if you're a coffee lover, you can put your coffee machine right there. But another look at the office area. It's just basically you walk in. But you can also use it as a dining room still. But very light flooring. It's vinyl, but got a bathroom down here. Well, powder room. Now let's head upstairs. All right, so this is gonna be our loft. We got carpeted area. Love the gray. Keeps it clean. You can't really see anything on it. All right, so this is bedroom number 3. You could really use it for however you find fit. Bedroom number 2, pretty nice space. And here's the bathroom for the upstairs. Very cool, separate area for the toilet and shower. Really like the separation, so really be able to use it anytime. All right, and the one we've been waiting for here is, well, check out this door. Pretty cool design. The primary bedroom. Big open space, just wow. And a lot of natural light coming in as well. And here is the primary bathroom. Love this color scheme going on. Got the bath, walk-in shower, a large mirror. But love this tile. And check out this walk-in closet. It's split up, a lot of space, so you definitely have enough room. And here's the laundry room. So the laundry room is on the 2nd story, so very easy to wash your clothes and bring it to all the bedrooms. And thanks for watching. That's a quick look at the Palmer floor plan. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. I'm going to leave the Mungo Homes website in the comments down below, but check out the Palmer and other floor plans. But see you next time.